Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.3 from the chapter Applications of Matrices and Determinants.
Question 2.
Matrix A is minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 1, 1. Matrix B is 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Find the products AB and BA and hence solve the system of equations x plus y plus 2z equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 2. So here two matrices are given. You're going to find the products AB and BA. Using that, you're going to solve this system of equations. So you're going to find the products. Using the products, we are going to solve this. So let us first find the product AB. So matrix AB. AB is minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 1, 1. This is matrix A. Then you have to write matrix B. Matrix B is 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. So we're going to find the product AB. So what is the order of this matrix A? 3 by 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. What is the order of the matrix B? 3 by 3. 3 rows, 3 columns. So it is 3 by 3. So you can multiply these two matrices. The product is a 3 by 3 matrix. So how do you multiply the two matrices? You have to multiply first row, first column. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Plus 1 into 3, 3. Plus 3 into 2, 6. So you will get minus 5 plus 3 plus 6. That is equal to 4. First row and second column. Minus 5 plus 2 plus 3. So that is minus 5 plus 5. That is equal to 0. Next, first row and third column. So what do you get? Minus 5 into 2. Minus 10 plus 1 plus 9. That is equal to 0. Minus 10 plus 10. Second row and first column. 7 plus 3. 10. 10 minus 10. That is 0. Second row and second column. So 7 plus 2 minus 5. That is equal to 4. Second row and third column. 14 plus 1 minus 15. That is equal to 0. Third row and first column. So you will get 1, 1 minus 3 plus 2. So that will give you 0. 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2, 0. Then 1 minus 2 and plus 1. So that will give you again 0. Isn't it? 1 minus 2 plus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 plus 3. That is equal to 4. That is your matrix AB. So we got matrix AB is this. So let us take out the 4 outside. That is 4 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So that is nothing but 4 into the identity matrix. This is 4. 3 I am writing because it is a identity matrix of order 3. So it is your matrix AB. Now let us find the matrix BA. So BA is the matrix B we have to write. The matrix B is 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. So it is matrix A is minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 1 and 1. So once again we are going to multiply this. So when you multiply, you will get 1 into minus 5 plus 7. 2 plus 2, 4. So it is equal to 4. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 0. First row and third column. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 5 plus 2. That is equal to 0. Then 3 into minus 5, minus 15 plus 14 plus 1, 0. Second row and third column. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1, that is equal to 4. Then 3 into 3, 9. Minus 10 plus 1, 0. 2 minus into 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus 7 plus 3, that is equal to 0. Then 2 plus 1, 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 5, 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So we can write this as 4 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is nothing but the identity matrix. So we have got now AB is equal to BA is equal to 4I. Correct? So we can write, see, we can bring this 4 here. So it becomes 1 by 4A B, isn't it, is equal to, we can bring it here also. So it becomes 1 by 4 B into A is equal to I. So you can bring AB is equal to 4I. So you can bring the 4 down. So 1 by 4 A into B is equal to I. This means 1 by 4 into A into B is equal to I. So this means this is the inverse. See, when you have a B inverse into B, only then you will get matrix I. If you are getting an I matrix, that means this matrix, one matrix is the inverse of the other. So B inverse into B is equal to I. So this 1 by 4A will become B inverse. B inverse into B. So B inverse is equal to, so from this we get B inverse is equal to 1 by 4 into A. Similarly, just equate these two. 1 by 4 B into A is equal to I. This means this is nothing but A inverse. A inverse into A is I. So we get A inverse is equal to 1 by 4 into B. Okay. So now we have found A inverse. We have found B inverse also. Now the first part of the question is find the products AB and BA. Now they ask you to solve this equation x plus y plus z, 2z equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 2. So we are going to solve that equation. So we found the first part of the question is find the products AB and BA. We have found that using these products you have to solve the system of equations. X plus y plus 2z equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 2. Look at the coefficients 1, 1, 2. What is the second equation? 3, 2, 1. Third equation 2, 1, 3. So you can easily see the matrix B is given here. The coefficient matrix of this system of equations is nothing but the matrix B itself, isn't it? So the matrix B is the coefficient matrix. So let us write the matrix form. So what is the matrix form? Coefficients, what are the coefficients here? 1, 1, 2, second 3, 2, 1, then 2, 1, 3. This is the coefficient matrix. Variables x, y, z. What are the constants? 1, 7, 2. So this is nothing but matrix B. This is not matrix A. I'm going to write as matrix B. This is X. I will write this as some C matrix because already A is given. So we're going to find matrix B is X. So X is equal to B inverse C. So we already found B inverse. B inverse is equal to 1 by 4A. B inverse is 1 by 4A into matrix C. So 1 by 4 of the matrix A. What is the matrix A given in the question? This is the matrix A. Right? So matrix B is given in the equation and matrix A is this. So 1 by 4 times matrix A. So matrix A is minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 1, 1. Matrix C is 1, 7, 2. So just multiply these two matrices. So what do you get when you multiply? 1 by 4 minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5 plus 7 plus 6. So 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8. 7 into 1, 7. 1 into 7, 7. Minus 5 into 2, 10. So 14 minus 10, that is equal to 4. Third row, 1 minus 7 plus 2. So minus 6 plus 2, that is equal to minus 4. So divide by 4, you get 2, 1, minus 1. So that means x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1. Thank you.